I'm just at the front of the beach walk and I just entered Poppies Lane I, the special request for so many of you guys, Nikki, Mick, and I can't remember all of the names, but this is Jalan Poppies II, special request for my lovely viewers who are watching us every single day. I also do something for you as the exchange. So this is Jalan Poppies Lane II, starting just from the beach walk mall and heading up to Santorini Gang Ronta or something like that, forgot already the names. And been a while when I was here last time, like few months, and nothing was here actually at that time. The mall is over there where is this red truck, and all the shops, Warungs, massage, hair studio, whatever it is over here seems to be open again, guys. There are even sometimes time to time some people passing by, and it's around 4 o'clock Tuesday afternoon. Entrance to the Poppies Cottage 2. And the old telephone doesn't work. What's characteristic on the street, you can find so many shops with the t-shirts and dresses and overall merchandises from Bali in general, but also there will be so many budget accommodations, hostel, homestays, and also well, so many shopping options overall. Of course, massage parlors, tattoo shops, similar like in everywhere in Kuta up to Seminyak. That's the characteristic of Bali. However, this one is like one by one shop with so many goodies everywhere around, and the truck is passing by and is already making a little traffic. Some people walking around, people will drive on the footpath, so keep it in mind, don't get offended because Coca-Cola is driving over here, and also there are some international visitors around as well already, and will be the Carla Spa as well. This is very small one-way road system, so keep it in mind. There's like some boys selling. Yo, how you doing? Welcome to Churchill. Bars are open, shops are open, and definitely this street is 1,000 times more alive than I was here last time. I think I was last time shortly before opening. Yo, I hope so nobody gonna crash into me. Hello, how you doing, guys?
Good. I've seen you a lot.
Oh, that's good. Happy to hear. How you doing? All good? Always pleasure to talk to you. Take care. Bye bye. No, I'm fine. Thank you, boss. And the massage ladies are out. Hello. So, you know, the vibe is coming back. Tourists coming back. Massage, everything offers. Everything is slowly getting back in Poppies lanes as well. However, there are also places where never come back yet till now, so keep it in mind, not 100%. This restaurant, for instance, was open always, and Grand Barong was closed, but now it's open again. For everyone who are missing of you, the place, the hotel. Yo, hello, thank you.
Hey, thank you.
Yes, so tattoo option, everything is back, and the loud music, and even there are some guests deep inside. Even the spa over here is open, and you can buy the replica of the sports t-shirts for 200k, and then tattoo again, Australian, Indonesian flag, spa. So you know this area is very popular for the Australian community. So like I already mentioned, the similar in Legion and Kuta, if somebody, hello, if somebody gonna call you mate, Mike, whatever, any Australian accent, don't get offended. Nobody gonna say to you here, hello, good morning, how are you today, with the British accent. That's not gonna happen. However, overall, it's easygoing vibe over here. Also, the area is extremely popular for the local homestays and the hostels, any kind of budget accommodations, and also bluebird taxis are driving inside. So here is even local house transformed into homestay, I think. The guy is washing the street, and also the area is popular for the surfing shop. So you can find so many shops with the surfing boards like this one. However, this one is actually closed at the moment. Let's focus on the continuation on the Poppies Lane II. Remember, as the cars going one way and the motorbikes going two ways, and they have to pass each other, so they're gonna often drive on the footpath, which is very small anyways. So also you can find a guy like this one selling the custom painting portraits of the surfer boards. Very nice stuff. Very nice, beautiful. How much for the portrait like this one?
Which one?
Like Messi over there, whoever it is. 400. And you can make myself also on it, my face, for 400? Okay, so cool. Highly recommended, boy. Take care. 400k, and you can have your face on the wooden board. Interesting. Hello. And this guy here is making iced coffee. Here you go. And you can buy, thank you, and you can buy so many, fake stuff over here. There's also some money changer with the currency statues currently, like this one, only 4 actually, I don't know why. And well, so many shops actually everywhere around, and there is like a boutique and some people passing time to time, so it's really not that bad. Over there already you can see the Poppies Lane. Yo, touchy boys, welcome to Bali, my friend. Bali is back, take care. And well, at the front is already Sky Garden, and now I'm gonna go to Gang Ronta, what I said at the beginning. Also more and more stuff like this one. And Gang Ronta actually definitely, just you enter, looks more quiet. Warung, Popo and any kind of shops here actually are still closed, which I'm actually surprised, because I was expecting as they are back already, but seems like they didn't. So that means it's still actually pretty quiet indeed. Somewhere over there in the junction is the Santorini, and overall situation Gemini over here looks like this one. 360-degree for you. Gang Ronta looks a little bit sad. I have a back memories from the times when I was vlogging here, because it's pretty the same in the Gang Ronta. Still many things closed. Bookshop is open. That's good. And there's some local warung. But yeah, also the small streets are small in general. Okay, this is what I'm coming to show you. Gang Ronta, this is the corner. Gang Sorgia Ronta, one warung over here and another Santorini. When I was here last time, nobody was here and was no hope as something gonna change. Yo, but now it's the group of people. Yo, what's up? So it's getting better, happy people. So if I'm anyway already here, I'm gonna go maybe up to Poppies Lane I. I'm not sure, this is actually a very small gang over here. And overall situation. Actually Poppies Lane II looks very optimistic, but Gang Ronta, Sorgia looks pretty the same how it was, with slightly improvements, but not 100%, little bit only. And yeah, looks like this one. Anyway, I'm gonna show you. So at the front they are Kuta apartments, Kuta town apartments, something like that. Also here is the one music shop, special request for one lady. This guy nearly crashed into me. Yo, what's up? Hello. Yo. So I made as many requests as I remember. Probably I forgot about something as well, but have to forgive me. And meanwhile, this is the corner of the Kuta town houses. Still deserted, and actually I'm not really even thinking to go over there, because not much is going on here. This is still Gang Ronta actually, but as you see, not much is going on actually, and looks pretty sad still. But decide, if I'm already here, I'm gonna go to Poppies Lane I. However, this lovely couple what I met at the beginning of the video, they said there's not much is going on the Poppies Lane I. However, if I'm already here, I'll show you a little bit. The sun is extremely bright facing my face, but exclusively Poppies Lane I, and there are some shops. Yo. Some of them. Yo, transport options, massage options, and more. Jiggy as well. Well, this is Poppies Lane I. You can expect this was Havana Club. It was Havana Club, literally, because it's not much left. And yeah. Yo, what's up, brother? Thank you. Maybe later, brother. Later. So yeah, that's how it is overall. Not much. This bar was always open actually. So I'm gonna tell you, Poppies Lane I doesn't look that optimistic actually, really. Overall situation like this one, not even many people passing by motorbike cars or compared to the Poppies Lane II, that's for sure. And one more shot of overall condition on Poppies Lane I. The car is coming. This bar, actually this bar was always open, Some of the shops are open here, some of them no. And yeah. So overall, if you are thinking about staying or coming, enjoying the Poppies lanes, Poppies 2 definitely pretty alright. I could say 60-70% of the vibe is come back. Definitely there are some people and options for food and shopping and Dutchess and massage, everything. However, Poppies Lane 1 seems like needs a little bit more time. But of course, more people will coming, more business will open, and this is how does it work over here. But yeah, don't expect too much from Poppies Lane 1 at the moment. It's still kind of quiet. This is the entrance to the Poppies Lane 1. Accidentally I broke my microphone, so you can see the cable. Yo, what's up, brother? Sorry for the worst sound quality. Thank you so much, brother. So this is already the Kuta street. So like I said, accidentally I dropped my camera on the floor and I dropped the cable to the microphone. So sorry for the sound quality. And at the same time, that's it from me for today. I hope so in next 2 days I'm gonna get a new cable because my microphones are broken again. Bad luck.